Hi, I'm Richard, and this story is about a property that we have had for a number of years. The tenant left, and a couple of days later we visited the property because we were out of state, and we found this. So this was the site that I saw when I came down into our wonderful finished basement. The water from the room above had poured down the wall here behind the sheetrock, also onto the ceiling tiles above. They'd got so heavy they'd dropped to the ground. The floor that we had in the basement was all wet. Most of the walls were damp and signs of mould had started to appear on them. So this was sad to see. But hey, things can be fixed. Here we are a couple of days later. The team had been in the basement, they'd ripped everything out back to the studs, everything that had any sign of mould or dampness on it. The floor had been ripped up, the ceiling taken down. And all the machines were in here, drying and blowing and doing whatever else they do. And this went on for about 3 days. We also had the machines upstairs in the hallway, the front bedroom and the back office, all drying out the rooms. So this is the floor above the basement, kitchen area to the office, and as you can see all the flooring has been ripped up. Some sheetrock taken out in the hallway, and in the office area where the problem started, sheetrock has all been taken out. The problem was this pipe here which had burst, and water had poured behind that wall into the room next to it, and also poured onto the floor and into the basement below, which did all the damage down there. So we need to fix that. In this room here, some sheetrock has been taken out. Also behind these panels there's some sheetrock missing. We're actually going to keep these panels. Apparently they're fairly unique. It's a 1950s house, and we've been told that it's very hard to get panelling like this again to replace it, so we're actually going to put the old panelling back. So that's the plan. Let's go down to the basement. Seems so quiet down here now that all the machines, the dryers, the fans, the blowers have all gone. But here we are. So this is the wall where the water had poured down. The office is above this area. We brought down all the ceiling tiles, destroyed our wooden floor. Everywhere along here was all wet. Sheetrock was damaged. The kitchen had been ripped out. It was the laundry area. So all this is going to be made new again. We're going to start work in a week's time. We think it would take 3 to 4 weeks to complete the work in the basement and on the floor above. And once that's done, we're going to start looking for a new tenant and get the place rented again and get it making some money. So thank you for watching. We will be giving an update on the completion. So once again, thank you.